Hello again guys, welcome to a new video. Karon guys, magkuha na po ta guys, mini mukbang KFC box meal guys. So ang sulod ani guys, one sandwich, small fries, and a salad. And maayong buntag Pilipinas and maayong hapon Canada. So karon guys, di pa sad ta kadug vlog outside because of the COVID COVID-19 second break here guys. It was like totally so high in cases every day. Okay guys, let's start again. We start with the price. The guy he forgot to put the gravy guys. Hina po din ni say kuan guys. Duha ka hot wings guys, oh. Unta guys. Ako guys, I prepare do vlogging outside, but for now safety first. Kay kining COVID, this is not a joke. This is really serious guys. So ang kuan na to guys, magkuan sa ta guys, mini mukbang guys. And then as soon as back to normal, new normal, so we can do vlog outside. Usa na sa paborito guys nga fast food chain guys, ang KFC guys. Kuha na siya guys, small salad guys. Adto kag restaurant or fast food chain is cheaper gyud guys, mukuan kag combo or meal guys. Nahuga po na siya mini snack guys, kay gamay ra man na siyang box meal. See guys, mo na ni ilang sandwich guys, a bit spicy, so give it a bite. Spicy with chicken, and it's tender and juicy too guys. Last bite, guys, last bite. Mm. So mo lang siya guys nahurot atong mini mukbang guys kay kuha naman ni siya guys ha. 1 KFC sandwich, small fries, and 2 pieces of hot wings and small size of salad. And thank you, thank you guys. And please stay safe always. And probably we end up the video right here. I'll see you in the next one guys. Peace out.